Hey everyone, welcome back. My name's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm kind of giving you an update on what I've been up to the last few weeks, I guess, which is mostly hanging out with family and also coming up with designs and getting and prepping stuff, getting ready to open up a little corner back inside my mother's shop located down on Main Street in Marble Falls, Texas. It's called Old Fashioned Lollipops Fun and Gifts. And I can link her info in the video description if you guys are interested in checking it out. But anyways, the very back corner of our shop, this area was a Christmas display area, and we have completely taken everything down and completely transformed it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw you a picture up to kind of show you what it looks like. So this is what it looked like earlier this week. This is a screenshot from my mother's Facebook Live. So you can kind of see all the stuff on the shelves and what it looked like prior. But we've completely stripped it out and replaced the floor with vinyl flooring and cedar wood paneling. And so that's kind of what it looks like. Since you can since you can kind of get the idea of what it looked like previously, this is what we've been doing over the last week. We put the vinyl flooring to give it more of a rustic look, adding cedar wood panels, and then what is that called? The wall?
It's faux wood. Faux rock.
Faux rock, just to kind of help go with the rustic look. And I still need to install or cut and install mirrors on all the back of the shelving, just to help give it a more of a prettier look once we have all the crystals and fossils and stuff on display. We'll be putting up acrylic doors on each of the sections on the shelving, and I think it's going to come together really nicely. We'll be having some more shelving in the back displays, and then likely going to either put a corner counter or a center counter. Still haven't decided that part yet, but I'll take you back and show you the workshop where I'll be working from. Okay, and this is my workshop area in the back warehouse. It's a small space, but trying to get as much in here as we can. We have a shop sink, nice tumbler down there, and I have right now, this is all still kind of messy because we're just organizing and stuff. My Rebel 17 tumbler there. We have another tumbler, Tumble Vibe right there. The Cab King, I just got it set up, haven't used it yet. Some different trays, a bunch of storage down there, storage along the top, all my tumbling stuff up there, and have a 12-inch auto feed saw. We're looking at getting an 18-inch once we can find a good deal online. And just my rock hounding gear. Anything else? A fridge for materials that can't be in warm temperatures, drill press, and yeah, so we'll be having a lot of different material for sale here at in the storefront as well. I've been, over the past, I don't know, 2 months, I've been working out in my backyard on my high-tech equipment, cutting down a bunch of rocks of material. So we'll be having a slab sale here on YouTube or Facebook, I'm not sure which one, or TikTok. But this is, I think, like fossil shell slabs, calcite. And then we have some like Mystic Merlinite, really, really beautiful material. Some red sage picture jasper from China. Amethyst sage with dendrites. Crazy lace, Rosetta lace. Some Texas agate. Texas flint. Some Kababa jasper. All kinds of stuff in here. I think that's piranha agate. And so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this progresses, and hopefully it takes off some Montana agate. And I'll go ahead and show you the front. We have a couple of displays in little lock boxes in my mother's shop, on the balloon counter and in the back like costume room area, just to kind of show like what is coming. Some nice pieces of Arizona petrified wood with polished ends. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the stuff we have on sale right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. So these are just some of the crystals that we have on display right now. Some apophyllite, stibite from India, tiger's eye, garnet. I can't remember the bluestone, but some calcite, rose quartz, some Himalayan quartz with Himalayan quartz with hematite, and then on the back side is a whole plate of chlorite quartz, some peacock orb, some Utah petrified wood, and then these crystals. I don't really like crystals like that, just because I don't like fake, or what is the proper word I'm thinking of? Enhanced. But my father said we got to get some of that. It came in, he didn't like it, so now it's 50% off. So just some cool stuff, and then just these are in the displays, just some individual specimens. Nice little variety of different material. And then over here in this one we have some of my pendants, and I'll still be doing pendants and stuff, so there's a large variety of different materials and stuff. So that's pretty much everything that I've been working on with my parents and getting this all set up and stuff. Last month in December, I was out in Colorado, Utah for like a family ski trip, but while they were skiing, I went out to Utah. I went hunting with my buddy Eric, and I got a lot of material from his claim, so I'm in the process of editing all of those videos, and hopefully we'll get those uploaded soon. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this update. Oh, I also forgot, if you are within Marble Falls, Texas, or the surrounding areas, I do run a Facebook. We started it as a kids group, but then like all of us adults that are in this hobby that love rocks and gems and stuff and fossils, we're kids at heart, right? So I opened it up as from being a kids club to just it's called Rock.Hounding.Adventures Club on Facebook, and basically every week, either Monday or Tuesday around 3 o'clock, I'll go out and hide a random rock, crystal, fossil around town with a little clue on where to find it. And it's just a way to help get families and interested adults and kids interested into the hobby or collecting rocks and crystals. All I ask is that y'all comment found on the video in the comments, just so people know not to go look for it. But it's a good success so far, and people are enjoying it, and we're gonna keep doing it. And on holidays like Christmas, New Year's, bigger holidays, I hide like a few stones each day of the week. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, please consider subscribing, help the channel grow, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.